Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. I just uploaded Vlogmas day 21 and I'm kickstarting Vlogmas day 22. When we did the end of Vlogmas day 21, we did I tell you, say, oh my god, just shower and come kickstart Vlogmas day 22. But no, me just gonna do all of the washing up first and then me just make one thing and bake because me not wash the veggies them yet nor nothing. So I could just get into it, yeah man. Let me check the water. So this is it, and you guys probably wondering like, ginger, and not too much ginger that, but the pot big, guys. When I see the pot big, and also sorry, don't have ginger, not too much where you can't bear, but it will taste like ginger. So let us just add it to the pot. Wash up the stuff them, guys. I'm exhausted because I have to wash them and then put them for drain, but I don't use up most of the containers them because I feel like I want to put mostly fruits in them. Them just look like, you know, something for put fruits and veggies in. I did use this one for pepper and this one for thyme. Normally what I would do is to wash the thyme them, make them drain properly, and then put it in a cover dish. It works, guys, trust me, try it. I think I'm telling you this one a long time ago. I just feel like it look better in this. So I wash it, put it to drain, and then just put it in this. Went ahead and washed the gungo, put it in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna put it in the fridge and wash me what is his name, lettuce. The rest of the container them I put them up because when I buy my fruits them, then I go, you know, put the fruits them in it. I just feel like it look better for fruits. So yeah, I only use up 1, 2, 3 with the pepper, thyme and lettuce. I'm gonna put this in the fridge because I'm not gonna use this until Sunday. So yeah, that's it. Right now it's 12:15. I'm gonna bed, I'm gonna sleep, and I'll pick you guys up tomorrow. Yeah, I don't have no more for do for tonight. Oh, the sorrel draw. I don't know if I did tell you no. I don't think I tell you no. I never walking on. Wait, I was recording. I think I give one a time lapse, but anyways, what I did was to wash the sorrel properly, go through, pick up because sorrel easy for rotten. So you know you will buy it and it already in a bag and it's sweat and stuff like that, but just go through, pick out, then wash it properly over and over, and then you know you're gonna put your pot under water. And then you're gonna put your pot with your water on the stove to boil. You season up your water, use whatever spice you want to use. You can use ginger, pimento seed, cinnamon sticks, cinnamon leaf. Put enough ginger because you don't know sorrel must taste like ginger. If you don't like ginger, then not too much, but put your ginger in there, and then you put your sorrel in it for draw. So you leave it overnight, and then the next day you strain it and sweeten it. So in my sorrel, I have ginger and pimento seed right now. I did buy some cinnamon stick. I don't never dash it where are them never give me the cinnamon stick or what, but no cinnamon stick no end up get for going it. I'm gonna have the cinnamon leaf. So right now it's just the pimento seed, the ginger in it right now, but it's gonna turn out good because I made sorrel already with just ginger alone and it was so good. So yeah, that's how I go on. You can put some rice grain in it if you want. Just season it up like how you season up. You don't want to season it up. And you know, when you are sweetening it, you can tip your rum, red label, or your Rhea if you are. Any little thing, just make the sorrel out. You don't want to make the sorrel, okay? So my sorrel are dry right now. The kitchen is clean. Everything is in place. So I know I'm going to sleep comfortable tonight because the house clean, everything wash up, and you know everything is in place. I'm showing you the sorrel one last time. It's coming on. Yo, I can smell the ginger, you know, man. Ooh. Go plug in the Christmas tree. Just I go enjoy it a bit before I go to my bed. You know, trust me, I gotta remember to plug it up before I go sleep. Or just we plug it up. Guys, I just get a chance to pick up back the camera. I get the goat. Pretty. You pretty now, mommy? And I have the chicken them right here, so fully. It's a good nice, don't worry. And the chicken, Kimona mommy chicken, they always nice. Guys, I'm back. Looking like yesterday. Tried last night. I woke up early this morning. I wake up from about 6:40 and we leave out of the house from 7 o'clock and we just are gonna make our way back up. So I kind of feel better because I get to meet them now. That's the last thing for me get. So I go strain off my sorrel. So that I go come in on next vlogmas. So I go strain and sweeten my sorrel and throw me gift them underneath the Christmas tree. But I've been so busy from morning. But yeah, we're gonna make our way home right now. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.